Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to open radial menus in Project Zomboid. The game uses radial menus for quick access to actions like vehicle options, crafting, furniture, and various UI panels. The exact key depends on what you're trying to open. On keyboard and mouse, the main radial menus are tied to certain keys. Pressing V opens the vehicle radial menu when you're near or inside a car. This lets you do things like hotwire, switch seats, or manage doors. Holding down Q opens the radial menu for emotes and character gestures. Pressing down M opens the map menu. Holding F opens the flashlight options, then pressing and holding keys 1, 2, 3, and etc. opens the weapon wheel. Take note that some radial menus will only appear when the related items are present. When using a controller, you usually hold the back or view button, which is the select button on many pads, to bring up the general radial menu with options such as character info, crafting, and other UI shortcuts. Then move the left stick toward the option you want and release the back or view button before the stick to select it. If radial menus aren't appearing, check your options, then controls, to confirm the key binding for the radial menu actions, and make sure there's no input conflict. And that's how you open radial menus in Project Zomboid. Thanks for watching.